Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to bring you two fun buns. So I started off with, this is actually about 3-day-old hair, and I am parting it down the middle. How I prepped my hair was I let it air dry in 2 braids with just some leave-in conditioner, and then I ran it over with my straightening iron brush type of thing just to kind of smooth a lot of the curls out. So I'm starting off by making this semi-perfect part, which we all can see is not completely straight. Straight parts are not my strong suit, but you know what? I'm trying, and that's the important part. So giving it the old college try. So I'm just securing one part of my hair out of the way while I go ahead and work on one half of my hair at a time. I'm going to start by making sure my part is straight when I tell you guys it was not straight. I don't know what I was thinking, but you know what? I had to dance, I had to sing, I had to get it to the new Nicki Minaj album. Have you guys heard it? Do you guys like it? My favorite song is Good Form and Chun Sui. I freaking love that song. Okay, so then I take my hair and I portion it off actually into 4s. So that's like 4 pieces total, or 4 sections total. So this way I can do like a big cornrow in the back. I'm going to do my best. I won't be able to see, so bear with me, but I'm going to try to do just 2 total cornrows. Okay, so after I tried to straighten out my part, I used some Burry's beeswax, which is kind of one of my favorite things right now, and it works really well for my hair, which is super fine and really hard to slick down without it frizzing up. So I just start applying some beeswax to the end, and then I get to braiding. Now, I am not the best braider, and as you can see here, I'm really struggling through this. Would I ever do these 2 braids in the back without being able to see again? Never. I would never. But you know what? I had to try. I thought this hairstyle was really cute and I wanted to test myself. So I still have a lot of work to do, but I pretty much just braided off that section of my hair, that bottom quadrant of my hair, and tried to smooth it as much as I could, but as you can see, it's not looking the way it should really. So you know what, I went back through and I tried it again, and I never really got it to a place that I was pretty proud of, so that's why you don't see a picture of the back in the thumbnail. But you know what, you guys, you gotta keep up, getting it back up, and you gotta get back on the horse. Even if you suck as a braider, you still gotta try. So yeah, I'm just smoothing this out, and I will do the same for the other side. with my sad back braids, I started focusing on the front and smoothing that out. So I'm using some more Murray's beeswax up here and just smoothing my hair, and also using a little bit of olive oil eco styler gel just to just to smooth all of it down and just make sure I have that really nice sleek effect, because the smoother and sleeker your hair is, the longer it will stay intact, especially if you have super fine curly hair like myself. It's really important to get this part right. So I'm just kind of figuring out where I want my bun to go, and smoothing how I want my hair to go up, and then I will start making my buns. Well, actually, sorry, I will start forming my ponytails, because I'll be using some braiding hair to make my buns really big and really full. So I used some Canacolon hair that I thought kind of matched my own texture that I got from the beauty supply store. I think I paid like $6 for this stuff. It is really kind of stiff and not as soft as regular braiding hair, I found, but it got the job done, and look how close it matches my texture. Like, I think I did a pretty good job of matching my texture. So here I'm just kind of braiding it in with my own braid. I had a little braid going on that I made in my ponytail, and I just braid it all the way down. It's really long hair, and I had split it in half, and I'm just braiding it all the way down. And then you'll see what I do is, after I'm done braiding it all the way to the ground, sorry I didn't span my camera out, I start twisting it around. So I did a really loose twist, and I found that in order to keep it lasting a long time, a really tight twist does better, but it just kind of started making my head hurt. So I did some really big kind of Minnie Mouse type buns, and I love them. I thought they were so cute. I usually do kind of small two buns, but these ones were a little bit out there, and I was totally digging it. Like, I loved them, and I got a lot of compliments on this hairstyle. So I went ahead and repeated it with my other side. after adjusting my buns and making sure they had enough bobby pins to stay down, I started working on them edges, girl. So in order to get my edges the way I wanted them to, it took quite a bit of time. I'm not usually a big baby hair edge girl, but I thought for this hairstyle, because it was going to be up for so long, I kind of wanted to do something cute and special. So I'm right here using Murray's beeswax, some more of that, and I thought that would give me a good hold for a few days. My goal was to wear this hairstyle for 3 days, and honestly it worked. Like, I was able to wear it for 3 whole days, which is a lot for me. Usually protective styles last for like a day and a half, and then my hair frizzes or it just like comes out. So I'm just kind of finessing the baby hairs as I do, and I will be following up with some other edge control as well. But when I first did it on the first day, I only used the Murray's edge wax, and when I did touch-ups later on, I used the Design Essentials Maximum Holds edge control. Well, that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you really did, please hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Love you guys. Bye-bye.